Good morning, my beautiful YouTube friends, and what a gorgeous morning it is. But as you probably guessed from the title of this video, I've doubled my fleet number. I've got someone else. I got my trusty CB650F here, and we've got another bike. Any guesses? £1 million, whoever gets it right. I reckon I'd get a few subscribers if I did that. Anyway, any clues? I'd say yeah, maybe a slightly wider rear wheel. So compare and contrast. Write in the comments what you think it is, and all will be revealed soon. So here we go. Now then, Honda, don't be too jealous, but this is your new companion. So without further ado, 3, 2, 1. Dana! Kawasaki versus 1000, and it's the SE model. All the toys, GT, SE GT, so that's with all the touring pack, the Grand Tourer, and I am super pleased. Well, I've had it a couple of days and it's doing everything I wanted it to. So absolutely popping in this sunlight as well. Sort of a colour I never thought would grow on me, but straight away I absolutely love it. We've got all the toys here as well, so I'm sort of trying to bite my tongue a bit, because I think I'll do like a proper rider's review of it and show you exactly what I think and how she goes and everything else. And what's the main reason for me getting it then? Well, to be honest, it's this: comfort. So I just wanted to go on longer rides with the missus, and because it's the full touring pack, I've got all the luggage. I got their side box, the side panniers, and also got the top box as well. So it's generally, I test rode quite a few bikes, and comfort wise it just scored top marks. I got to be honest, really impressed. It is super comfy. It's got the electronic suspension on it, so you can adjust for different loads with just a touch of a button. Like I say, I'll bite my tongue now because I'll save that for another video, and I'll do another quick clip of it with all the boxes on there as well. But just generally super pleased. I mean, it's an extra 30 horsepower to what I'm used to as well, so I definitely noticed that, and you'd be crazy not to notice that on a motorbike. But it's an absolutely stunning day today, so I'm not going to be able to resist having a little spin out, I think. So here she is. Did you guys guess right? And I'll just show you a quick clip now of it with all the boxes on as well, just to finish off the video. So not too long a video today, just a little reveal of my new toy, which I am super pleased with. What do you guys think? Really sturdy, big machine, but handles like a dream. Well, here she is with all her luggage on, and I'm sure you'll agree it looks a completely different bike, and well, it does in my opinion. Just can't explain it. It just doesn't look like the same bike. But this is the point I was making. The missus will be very comfortable, I think. Really big seat, nice backrest, and she's going to be super comfy on there. And all the luggage is operated with the same key as the ignition. I keep sort of trying to bite my tongue with all the little goodies it's got on it, because I think I'll probably do that on a little sort of bike review, and so you know, we'll go for a proper test ride, and I can show you what how she rides, and I am super pleased, and in that sunlight, that colour's absolutely popping. And I never thought I'd be into I'm sort of a Honda guy, to be honest, but I'm really digging this this bike at the moment. So join me in a video shortly, and we'll take it out for a ride and see if you can get some of my excitement as well. So signing off, the usual like and subscribes, and we'll see you shortly for a test ride.